behind me looking like a mess. I'm so weird.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I forgot to film an intro for this. I'm Kenz and you should subscribe. I first started with like cleaning everything off my bed, then making my bed. So, yeah. These are new. I'm putting that one too. Oh yeah, so my bed's broken if you guys didn't know. So yeah, we fixed it once and then I broke it again. Don't mind my bed sheet, my bed cover, it's very dirty because I took it camping with me. Okay guys, so now for my bed is made, I am going to start tackling the floor. So pretty much what that means is figuring out what's clean, what's dirty, but most of it's clean, so we're just gonna start grabbing hangers and hanging stuff. Let's start hanging stuff up. Actually, this is okay. That was loud. It's hot. I'm so done doing this already. A pile onto the floor for things that go into like my dresser. I don't like these hangers. I don't know if you can tell, but they're metal hangers. I hate those things. They're the worst hangers ever. Am I even gonna have enough hangers for these? I feel like I'm short hangers. But maybe it's because most of it just goes to my drawer. I already have hangers for pants. They're in my closet. I don't use hangers that like you can hang like skinny straps and stuff like that on it because I usually end up needing them for shirts that actually need them. You get what I'm saying? It is 11:47. The video is about to go live. It is called Getting My Permit, My Intermediate. They're gonna drive you to something like that with me. Or I don't know, passing my road test. And it will be in the description box down below. Go check it out. I really need to organize these drawers. But do I feel like it? No, not one bit. This is just so much work, guys. I cannot believe I'm doing this. Like, I could be laying in the bathtub right now, shaving my legs, but that's just as much work. So, I'm doing this first. I really do need to organize these drawers, so I might do that actually. These are not dirty. These are my period panties. no way, shape, or form cute. Tomorrow I have such an exciting video I'm going to be filming. I'm going to do a testing out this new makeup product I got today. Wow, these are not even dirty, but do you guys ever do that? Just undo them and then throw them in the dirty basket? Yeah, I do that all the time. Okay guys, so I think we're going to start cleaning off my dresser top. It is very messy, but it's really not that bad. It's just a bunch of trash. Alright, we're gonna hang up my clothes now. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be hanging up some of my pants into my closet. Cleaning my closet is going to be a whole nother video. Stay tuned for that because we'll go through and clean it sometime. It's really not all that bad. It's just the fact that I don't want to do it right now. So, yeah, stay tuned for that. Oh, crap. We're going to be organizing this drawer right here. This is going to be the only drawer that we organize because it's the only one that needs it. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get started with that. Alright. So, it's just a bunch of clothes. So I just have some stuff out of these drawers. So I'm just gonna stuff them in here. This drawer I really don't care about because it's just hoodies. Like that's literally all it is. I just I'm gonna put my towel right there. Okay guys, so now that we are done doing the laundry, I'm just going to take all my bathroom stuff to the bathroom. Okay, so this is trash, so we're just gonna throw it. Oh my gosh, I think these are dirty clothes. Okay. So like I was saying, is a lot of the stuff down here now is just trash, and it just needs to be in the trash. Clean that up. So now I need to firstly take this stuff to the lawn. I'm going to go on to the bathroom. And the other, I don't know where it belongs. Okay. So the stuff I'm just going to put on my bed for now. But what I wanted to do is I have a suitcase and I haven't used it since school. Because whenever school's in, I have a lot more stuff. I have to travel back and forth to my dad's. So it's just kind of been sitting here. And I want to just get it cleaned out from school. It is literally the next time I come back here. So that is just what I'm going to do. This bag, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, I also had to get some sweet tea because that's just the best thing ever. I was just dying of thirst. I found my hangers, guys. Okay guys, so that box right there, I'm going to take it to the room right across the hall from me, from no one stays there. Alright, so I'm going to hang this up first, but I'm gonna sneeze, and I'm going to hang all my hangers up into my closet. Everything else on my bed, I don't know. This is what I wear to sleep in. I'm gonna fold this and just put it on my dresser to start my back to school collection. This I'm just gonna put in my closet. And this. Focus. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram, Kenzie.Marie02. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want me to make more of these types of videos because I can. Yeah, I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Oh my gosh, I just got finished. And it's freaking 1 o'clock in the morning. Bye.